Hello friends, a very warm welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for clicking to watch the video. Today we'll be making a very popular street food in Africa. I'll be showing you the tips, tricks and step-by-step method to make the perfect rocky, crunchy rock buns right there in your home. In today's recipe, I'll be switching things up a little bit by adding some pumpkin puree. And guys, this takes these buns to another level. So please stay tuned, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and give this video a thumbs up before you leave. I'm going to start by mixing up my dry ingredients. So here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. You can also use nutmeg. Then I'll add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Then a teaspoon of baking powder. Then using my whisk, I'll mix thoroughly to combine. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of cold butter, and I'll be using my whisk to combine my butter with my dry ingredients. Once my dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed, the next thing I'll be adding is 1 egg. This egg is right out of the fridge, so it's still quite cold. I'm just going to beat it up a little bit before adding it in. In goes a 1/4 cup cold pumpkin puree, and then I'll add a teaspoon vanilla extract. Now this is optional, but I do like a bit of vanilla extract in my buns, but feel free to skip it if you haven't got it. At this point, I'll be switching to my spatula because it's easier to mix this with a spatula. Next, I'll be adding my cold milk. You can also use water, but I just feel milk makes your buns a little richer. I'm going to be adding it a little at a time until I get a thick, stretchy consistency. It's best to do this so you end up with the right consistency. Now the secret to making the perfect rocky, cracked rock buns is to make sure all your liquid ingredients are cold, from the eggs to the butter to the milk. By doing this, you're sure to achieve the perfect cracked rocky rock buns. So you can see this is the exact consistency I'm looking for. The batter is very thick, and at the same time, it's very stretchy. I already had my oil preheating at medium heat. I'm just going to be dropping my buns. Make sure your oil is not too hot because it's just going to cook on the outside and you may have some raw batter inside. So it's very important to fry them on medium heat. And also, if the heat is too low, they're just going to soak up so much oil. So it's best to leave them at medium setting from start to finish. Now you can see that the cracks have begun to form. That's the signature look of the African rock buns. And don't forget to keep turning them at intervals so they'll cook evenly. At this point, my buns are perfectly cooked, so I'll take them out and place them on a paper towel to soak up the excess oil. I'm just going to be repeating the same process with the remaining batter, then we'll see the final look. I'd also like to add that scooping the buns with your hands like this also adds to its crunchy, rocky nature. If you use a spoon or a bottle or any other kitchen item, you may not get that crunchy, rocky nature on all sides. So these are perfectly cooked. I'll get them out and also place them on a paper towel to soak up excess oil. And here they are, the perfect rocky, cracked and crunchy rock buns on all sides. Crunchy on the outside and so soft and spongy on the inside. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as it does help my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. And until my next video, bye!